Hello friends, this is Kate once again, and today I will share with you a new car dashcam brand name of this car dashcam is Junsun. Have a look at the features and specifications for this car dashcam. Awesome thing is, this dashcam supporting multi-languages like as Turkish, Spanish, French, Japanese, Portuguese, Thai, Dutch, Russian, Italian, Chinese, traditional, Arabic, German, Russia, English, Korean. An interface of this cam avenue out, Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF, US 2.0, Bluetooth, battery built-in and the special features SD, MMC card, real-time surveillance, time-and-date display, cyclic recording, microphone, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi function, LED display, anti-vibration, built-in GPS, wide dynamic range, cycle recording, G sensor, dual lens. Another interesting thing is it has a 7 inches display and touchscreen, 6.86 inch capacitive touchscreen, 1280 x 480. Also, have 32 GB external memory support. It's supporting 4G and 4 grams standard LTE chipset, MT8382 quad core. You will get 2 lenses and the view angle is 140 degrees, so it's an all-in-one package. Customer reviews and scores. It has 4.8 out of 5-star reviews and too many positive votes. So finally, we can summarize that, in this price range, this is one of the best DVR car dashcams in this market. If you want to check more details about this product, check link in description. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel because very soon we are coming back to you with a new product review. Till then, good day, happy life.